Hello, folks. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to a game changer in bathroom and kitchen organization. The Udel Shower Caddy 5-pack. It's not just a shower caddy. It's a complete storage solution that will simplify your life. Let's dive in and discover why you need this in your bathroom, and here it is. The Udel Shower Caddy 5-pack, a set of 5 essential pieces designed to make your life easier. You get 2 shower caddies to soap holders, 1 toothbrush holder, and 5 strong adhesives. Let me show you why this set is a must-have. One of the standout features of this set is its ample storage space. These bathroom organizers are designed to accommodate your wash supplies or kitchen seasonings with ease. Whether you're in a dorm, bathroom, kitchen, toilet, or tool room, these pieces will help you make the most of your available. What sets the Udel Shower Caddy 5-pack apart is its durability. Crafted from premium SUS 300 for stainless steel, these organizers are built to last. They're rust-proof, waterproof, and scratch-proof. Thanks to the high-temperature baking paint process, these caddies can easily stand up to humid conduct. Now, let's talk about reliability. The transparent traceless adhesives provided in this set are a game changer. They can bear a remarkable 40 pounds of weight. And this has been professionally tested. Imagine the freedom this offers. You can store your essentials without worrying about them fouling. The Udel Shower Caddy 5-pack isn't just about bathroom storage. It's a versatile solution for your kitchen as well. You can organize your kitchen spices and condiments with ease. Whether it's your favorite shower gel or your go-to cooking seasonings, this set has you covered. Plus, these bathroom, if you're ready to revolutionize your bathroom and kitchen organization, check out the link in the description below to get your Udel Shower Caddy 5-pack. Trust me, it's the kind of addition to your home that you'll wonder how you ever lived without. Thanks for joining me today.